Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to tap on three dot, go to settings, go to in privacy, here in privacy. Once you are in privacy, you just need to scroll down and here you can see the microphone. Just tap on it to enable and disable, and just enable this microphone from here. Once you enable it, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication to enable voice chat. Now just need to click on this play button and click on this peaceful. So basically just come enter into the game, and once you enter into the game, and if you want to enable voice chat, what you need to do, you just need to tap on this beta option here over the top, and just expand it, and just tap on this microphone to enable voice chat. Once you tap on the microphone, your voice chat will be enabled, and that's how you can enable the game voice chat in the game of Roblox. So this is a new update. Usually the microphone is over the avatar side, but now it comes in into this comes into over the top. So yeah, that's how you can do it or enable it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.